Before cutting flexible overflow and drain pipe, measure and mark the flexible and drain piping. Then cut the 1 1/2 inch flexible overflow and drain pipe to the desired lengths to fit the bathtub. Next, using the manufacturer's guidelines, glue flexible tubing to the sanitary tee and the drain piping to the sanitary tee and drain elbow. Next, place the thick foam gasket onto the overflow elbow of the cable bath drain. Insert the overflow elbow and foam gasket assembly through the bathtub overflow hole from the back of the bathtub. Thread the overflow elbow nut from inside of the bathtub onto the overflow elbow. Hand tighten only until the nut is snug and the gasket is only slightly compressed against the back of the bathtub. Remove the red test membrane. Secure the drain elbow and drain flange gasket under the bathtub by threading in the strainer body through the bathtub drain hole from inside of the bathtub. Putty or sealant may be used between the flange of the strainer body and the bathtub. Select the faceplate adapter that leaves the desired gap between the bathtub wall and the edge of the faceplate, as indicated on the printed instructions included in the kit for more information. Place the appropriate adapter onto the drive shaft of the cable bath drain, and then secure the faceplate adapter to the drive shaft using the screw provided. Secure the faceplate to the faceplate adapter using the faceplate screw. Leave the black plastic sleeve on the threads to help align the screw. Lightly tighten the faceplate screw until it is flush with the faceplate and snug. Do not over-tighten. Rotate the faceplate clockwise to the fully closed position on the cable bath drain. Then install the core guide pin into the strainer body using a screwdriver. To prevent the cable inside the strainer body from being pinched, next, insert the bathtub cable stopper into the core guide pin. In the fully closed position, with the faceplate rotated clockwise, the bathtub stopper should rest and seal onto the strainer body flange. In the fully open position, with the faceplate rotated counterclockwise past the click, the stopper should open to 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch above the strainer body flange. The plastic cable core should move freely inside the core guide pin when the faceplate is turned. Adjustments to the open height of the bathtub stopper can be made using the stopper adjustment. You have now successfully completed your CableFlex cable bath drain installation.